No matter how many tutorials you go through, cutting your own hair at home always sounds too scary to try out. Well, here comes an innovative solution, Split Ender, that claims to trim your damaged hair without making it short. But does Split Ender trimmer actually work? Let's figure it out. Holding scissors in one hand and grasping frayed hair with another hand is the most frustrating sight ever. But cutting hair repeatedly for split ends cannot be a solution, especially when you love long hair. Instead of cutting hair thoroughly, the only real cure for split ends is trimming them off. So when it comes to trimming away your frayed and damaged hair ends, a split ender is a safe, innovative solution. Its innovative surgery trim system technology trims the hair where the split ends to start. Snipping only 1/8 to 1/4 part of your brittle hair ensures long, healthy, and smooth hair. It works fantastically if you can properly do it. All you have to do is section your hair and place it in the middle of its built-in strand guards, and the trimmer will take care of the rest by guarding your hair in straight motion in the center of its hair plate. Your hair will instantly feel silky if you run through each of the smaller sections of your hair 3 times. And while trimming, you will notice that trimmed split end hairs are gathering in the clear window hair chamber, which signifies your hair is trimming off. But make sure that your hair is tangle-free, dry, and properly combed before running it through. Plus, avoid putting a large section in the trimmer as it may not give you the desired result. Now, as you know how a split end trimmer works, it is time to discuss, do you really need it? Let's admit, no one likes dry and damaged hair, but visiting a salon frequently can be hard on your wallet. And some of the chemical split end hair treatments simply cost you arm and leg without making any visible difference. So, in case you want to save your salon cost or pennies of hair treatment, a split end trimmer will be the best option you can opt for. It'll be a long investment to get rid of damaged and frizzy hair. So, we can say the split end trimmer works and it's worth buying to save some extra bucks. Now, you may say this trimmer thing can be easily done by scissors at home. Why spend money on trimmer? Then we would like to remind you how scary it is to cut your own hair with scissors, as you can accidentally cut down your length or hurt yourself. On the contrary, split end trimmer is the safest option as it only cuts down the damaged part of your hair, maintaining the hair length as $1,000,000. So in every context, a split end trimmer is worth your money. And as a bonus, we're reviewing SPLIT-ENDER PRO2, which is one of the most hyped split end trimmers in the market right now. So let's check it out. Unboxing this SPLIT-ENDER PRO2 will make you excited as it comes with a shiny carrying bag, charger, cleaning brush, and instruction manual. Both the carrying bag and charging port ensures its ultimate portability, means you can carry it anywhere and get hassle-free snipping without attaching a long cable. And once you're done with trimming, you can simply clean its hair chamber with the cleaning brush. Now coming to the main hero, Split Ender. It features 2 directional switches. You can easily turn it on and off while running through each section of your hair, and these switches let the trimmer know which direction it has to cut off. Next comes a metal pressing handle that lets you adjust and lock your hair for snipping. And its rubber-coated grips offer you firm holding to run it more smoothly throughout your hair. It will let you snip the ends, not the length of your lovely hair. Wondering how? Well, its new Surgery trim system offers easier, safer, and faster trimming performance. While the unique patent technology keeps your hair straight and lets it flow uniformly throughout its strand guards, thus blades spin your unwanted damaged hair and keep it as long as before. And the amazing fact is, it's compatible with any type of hair like curly, frizzy, or straight ones. Plus, you'll be impressed to see how it snips tiny split ends just in one swipe. But to feel smooth, silky, and soft hair, you have to run 3 swipes on your hair. So after all these arguments, we can say this SPLIT-ENDER PRO2 is a pretty good deal at only $145 to grab. So these are the does split end trimmer actually work? Hope you find this video insightful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.